we're going to be power washing this deck with this power washer, and in order to plug it in, we're going to be using some pretty beefy extension cords. These are 12 gauge. You don't want to skimp on the thickness of this wire. If it gets real thin, your wires can heat up and it can actually burn out. So here's our hose we're going to be using. Now we did plug it over the winter, but it still kind of looks like we got spiders in there. So we're just going to run this through and it'll kind of wash out the hose. So you can see all the cobwebs that's in there that we need to get out. So we put this Thompson water seal on about 2 years ago, but you can kind of see when the water's flowing, it seems a little bit more hydrophobic than it normally is. It's kind of actually definitely doing a difference. So we're going to power wash the deck, get all of the, just kind of the mold, the green stuff off. We'll let it dry and then we'll put on some of that Thompson water seal, and we do this about every 2 to 3 years. We put this on about 7 years ago, and we've probably treated this about 3 times, and it's in pretty good shape. This is definitely looking a lot better. You can see the difference between these boards here and then the boards I haven't done. It's definitely doing a good job. So this wood looks really nice compared to what it was before. We're gonna go ahead and put some sealer on here just to keep it this way, and I'm really happy with the results here. It's much better than what it was before.